the last time we came to you was 2 weeks ago in Edmonton. They let us all out of our little studio here and took us on the road. We all stood by and watched the Stamps and the Eskimos in what has turned out to be one of the most entertaining games so far in this CFL season. That game is featured in this edition of the Sounds of the Game.
Sounds of the Game.
Let's run around, have some freaking fun and get some revenge. Let's go. Stamps on three. 1, 2, 3, Stamps. He didn't get it. He didn't get it. Oh, it's bull. Oh.
Now, if it's not, we're blocking it different. Okay, cool. See, I didn't see it then. I feel you, though. I feel y'all. It's up, coach, just a little bit, please. Thank you. You believe we can win this one, Mr. Cameraman? I believe we can win this one. We can win it.
Get your ass to the sideline and look front side. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby, let's go.
That's a little close, ain't it, dude?
That's the man right there. That's the man right there.
KP right here, number 86 right here. He's the man.
Jason Moss has to take the Eskimos to the end zone. My gosh, here's the touchdown run. Can he get there? Yes, yes. Eskimos on a two-point convert attempt last time. Missed. Moss this time will miss again. Now you can take this all the way back, Stampeders. Unbelievable. And this will count for two if he makes it. All the way. It's a two-point advantage or addition to the Stampeders. Can you believe that?
Is this on?
Oh, it was a great game and a great night. 50,000 were in the stands at Commonwealth a couple of weeks ago. If you want to get out to a game, here are the numbers. Jot them down. Go see some CFL action in the West and the East. Back with more right after this.